Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing. Wake up.
Hey there, good morning guys, so welcome back to the channel. So for today, we're gonna do a little mod on our Yak Visipole. So lately I've been doing a lot of night fishing and very early morning launch. So it is important that you have that stern globe light on for safety reasons. And one thing I noticed is that Yak Attack Visipole is a battery operated two small LED elements on top for the light right here. Let me show you this one. It has a very small tiny two LED bulbs to light it up. So I noticed that visibility wise it's not that bright, it's not that shiny, and oftentimes battery ran out, or as the night goes on it drains the battery and the light eventually flickers down until it's gone. So my thought was to convert it into a 12-volt LED with a much brighter output so we can be visible and a lot more safe going fishing at night. So let me show you what I've done. Okay. So to start off, what I've done here is that inside this Visipole, I took out the two LED elements that they have in there, removed the batteries, and I've gone on ahead and rigged up or bought an LED bulb, that is, for the parking signal lights on your vehicle. That's what I used. So that's what I bought. Let me show you. So this is the brand right here. It's the JDM Ashtar LED lighting bulb. So it comes with a few of them inside the package. They're very tiny. Let me show you what they are. Hang on. Get you a better lighting right here. Let me open it up. Okay. Alright, so this is how they are. You see, you got one LED element on top and one on each side right there. So what I did was I rigged up positive on this side, soldered a positive wire there and negative wire here. Just soldered it up, and I use about the length of the pole plus some so that I can attach an SAE connector for it. And let me show you what I got. So right here. So inside. Oops. Alright, so inside you can see right there. Oh, sorry. Get a better lighting right here. There you go. You see right there. So I got that lit up, and then, like I said, inside the Visipole, I took out the old element and just jerry-rigged some hot glue to kind of keep them in place in there. So I filled it up right there. Let me see if I fill that up. Let me turn on the light real quick. There, you can see better right there. See how I filled that up with the hot glue right there. And then I went on ahead, drill a hole on the side of the pole so that the wiring would come out. Let me show you. drilled the hole right there, side of the pole, so the wiring will come out. Then I covered everything with hot glue right there. Ran the wiring all the way to the length of the pole, like so. You see, right there, see, all the way about what, 2/3 of the length of the pole. Covered it with the nice wiring tube right here, and then I just install it like so. And then, so I got a good length of the wire, because from where I put the battery, where this is gonna attach to, or the switch where this is gonna attach to, is kind of long, so made that wire long and put some wire tubing copper. So I'll show you when I get it attached to my kayak, and show you the twist it all the way, stand up, and as you can see, as I twist it, I let the wires run. Okay, like so. So I'll let the wire run all the way towards the bottom of my seat, because that's where the switch and the battery is going to be, so that I have access to it. And when it's daylight, I go on ahead and turn it off. Alright, that's how it looks. I'll show you how bright it is when I plug it in. Right now I got the battery over here. See how bright that is? Turn off this light. See how bright that is? And that's without the cover right there. You see how bright it is. Alright. So when I put on the cover, it looks awesome. Let me show you. Put on the cover right so. Twist and lock. Protects it from the element. Attach it back to my kayak. Tighten it up. There she is. See how nice and bright that is? It's even better in the dark, and you can really see it for a couple of miles, from what my friend told me, when you're out in the water at night. And Visipole will be shining bright. Alright? Alright guys, like I said, simple mods for the kayak, especially for safety. I always like to consider that, and hope that somebody might do the same for their Yak Attack Visipole, because they're not as bright, but you put the 12-volt LED on there. With the switch, you can turn it on and off whenever you need to. and it shines very bright at night and in those early morning launches. Gets you safe out there in the water. Everybody can see you so they don't run you over. Okay, thank you guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Hit the like button if you do like my videos and the notification bell so that you get alerted on all my latest uploads. Thank you guys for watching. Enjoy.
Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day.
Launch right here. Can you lay?
Today's gonna be a good day. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. 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 Today's gonna be a good day. Life ain't easy, yo. I think there's a reason, though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts